So a square, to find the area of a square with apothem of root 6, we have to understand what the apothem is. And it's just, apothem means the height of a triangle when you divide a regular polygon into triangles. So a square, just like a octagon or a hexagon, you could start in the center of the square and draw the radiuses. So these are called the radiuses because if you were to inscribe that square in a circle, those 4 lines would be the 4 radiuses of that circle. And once you divide that purple square into 4 triangles, and all these triangles are congruent, by the way, because of side, 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 this height of this triangle is the apothem. Alright, so if that's root 6, you can use that to find the remaining side lengths and thus find the area. So these are diagonals, these orange radiuses. So they're going to divide the square into 45, 40, 90 triangles. Alright, because, well, they're isosceles because all these radiuses are equal. And also, since a square is a rhombus, they're going to create diagonals that are perpendicular. So that means that this would also be root 6. So one way you could find the area of this square, there's a lot of different ways you could do it. I see like 3. But if we stick, so we'll do a couple. So like if you look at the area of just this triangle, alright, that base is 2 root 6, and this height is also root 6. So the area of this triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2, which comes out to be 6, because 2 over 2 cancels out, and root 6 times root 6 is 6. So since there's 4 of those triangles, you can multiply it by 4, and you get that the entire area of the square is 24 square units. Another way you could do it is just finding the side length of the square. So like if you know that's root 6 and that's root 6, then this whole side right here is going to be 2 root 6. So once you know the side length of a square, you know that's why it's called squaring a number. It's called squaring a number because you're finding the area of a square with that side length. You get 4 times 6 because 2 squared is 4 and root 6 squared is 6. And you also get 24 square units. Like that's another way to do it. So however you want to do it, you should get an area of 24 square units.